It's like the 3rd hour of the night, I look wrecked. But you need to see this. At first, we thought it was spirit, a ghost, some unclean thing. We all backed up like, nope. But then, and me, I said, Lord, if it's you, tell me to come.
What?
It's the Master. It's Jesus. So this is it. Either I walk on water or I sink faster than a rock in oil. If you never see this recording again, bury it with dignity, yeah? I'm up. I'm standing, Achi. Oh, and the water. Wait, no, I'm going down. Master. So yeah, I stepped out, it worked for a second. Then the wind hit, my eyes dropped, faith dropped, and I sank. But he grabbed me. Didn't even let me drown in my own doubt.